Does your Toshiba TV look blurry, washed out, or pixelated? Are colors dull, or do you see strange lines or flickering? You're not alone. Thousands of Toshiba users face these picture quality issues every day. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix Toshiba TV picture problems, whether it's brightness, color, HDMI, or software. And by the end, your screen will look brand new again. Step 1. Check HDMI cable and input source. First, let's start with the basics. Poor picture quality often comes from a weak HDMI connection. Unplug your HDMI cable, check both ends for dust or damage, and plug it back in firmly. If the picture still looks bad, try another HDMI port or a different cable. Step 2. Adjust picture settings. Next, go into your TV's settings picture settings. Choose picture mode as standard or movie, not eco mode. Eco mode often reduces brightness and color depth. Now adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness until the image looks balanced. If your screen seems too yellow or blue, adjust the color temperature to standard or cool. And don't forget to turn off any dynamic contrast if it causes overexposure. Step 3. Power cycle the TV. Sometimes your Toshiba TV just needs a refresh. To do a power cycle, turn off your TV, unplug it from the power socket, and wait for 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 10 seconds. Now plug it back in and power it on. This clears temporary memory issues that might cause display glitches or flickering. Step 4. Check for firmware updates. Outdated software can affect how your TV processes colors and brightness. Go to Settings, Support Software Update, check for updates. If an update is available, install it. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi during the process. Step 5. Clean screen and check ambient light. Sometimes what looks like poor picture quality is just dirt or glare. Turn off your TV and gently clean the screen using a soft microfiber cloth. Never use harsh chemicals. Step 6. Reset picture settings to default. If none of the above steps worked, it's time to reset your picture settings. Go to Settings, Picture, Reset Picture Settings, and confirm. This will return all settings to factory defaults, removing any previous adjustments that might be causing distortion or dimness. Step 7. Inspect the backlight and panel. If your picture still looks uneven or dark on one side, your TV's backlight might be wearing out. To test it, increase brightness to maximum. If parts of the screen stay dark or flicker, it may be a hardware issue. In that case, contact Toshiba customer support or a certified technician. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix picture quality issues on your Toshiba TV step by step. Most of the time, simple fixes like adjusting settings, checking HDMI, or updating software can make your display look brand new. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment what issue you faced. I'll reply with personalized help.